Hey guys, Sam here at St.Albert Dodge. Today we got this 2018 Audi S4 Technik package. Really nice vehicle, really well optioned out, just under 74,000 kilometers on it. On the front here, we do notice it's in this nice gray color. You got your LED headlights, Audi rings. We have a little license plate bracket on the front, our nice kind of chromed out grille. We do have this nice kind of black hex on the grille as well, giving it a nice touch. We also have our front view camera right here. Getting to the side, we do see our nice 18-inch wheels, nice performance tires on there with lots of tread left. You got your nice S4 red calipers on there, giving it a nice touch. V6 turbo badging. We do have our power folding mirrors right there. We do have keyless entry on this guy. Getting to the rear of the vehicle, you do see your sleek Audi taillights, S4 badging. You got your Audi rings once again. We do have our quad exhaust along the bottom there and this nice kind of chrome trim piece with some park sense sensors. Stick around and go check out the inside. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. Here we are inside the S4. First glance, you got your nice leather wrap steering wheel with the nice red stitching in there to go along with the red guts of the car. You got your nice Audi rings in the center. You got all of your hands-free and volume controls on the left-hand side, and then you got your menu selector and your scroll wheel on the left-hand side. You do have paddle shifters on this unit. To our driver's side door here, we do have this nice kind of suede with the nice chrome piece. We got our power locks, memory seating for 2 passengers. We do have all our window and lock settings right here. Getting to the center area here, we do have our nice Audi navigational screen here. You got all your media settings on there. We do got our heated seats right here, dual climate control, so there's not going to be any arguments over the heat of the cabin. We do have our drive mode select. You can turn off your auto stop start or your park sense if you so please, as well as your traction control. Just below there, we do have a 12-volt charger with a little plug there to keep it stylish. Our start button, we have a couple of cup holders for the front passengers. You do have your radio presets, your navigation map, and your Audi screen kind of navigator here. You do have your shifter. You do have the ability to go into manual mode to use those paddle shifters like I'd previously mentioned. And then we got our volume dial in a pretty convenient spot right here. A little bit of storage right here. You got some more storage in the center console here. You do got 2 USB chargers as well as an aux cord outlet. Close that up. We got a little bit more storage inside the glove box right here. We do have these really beautiful red cross-stitched bucket seats with the S-line badging in there. We do have the ability to have the thigh extender on these if the seat will cooperate with me. There we go. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the front here, so let's stick around and go check out the back seat. Thanks for sticking around. Here we are in the back of the S4. As you can see, we got the same kind of nice red on black theme. We got some nice netting pouches on the back of the seats for some knickknacks. We got some vents for the rear passengers as well as some climate control. You got some more 12-volt charging capabilities back here. In the seats, we do have this nice kind of armrest with a little bit of storage in there for you. Close that up. That's pretty much all to go over in the back here. So if you guys do want to know more about this vehicle, feel free to give me a call on my cell. It's 780-905-1831. Or come on down, stop by the dealership, and say hi to one of us. We'll be looking forward to it. Have a good one, guys.